Greetings, everybody. This is Medsan. Make sure that you do the right thing and join our family by subscribing to this channel. And do drop a comment if you have any questions or you want us to do more lessons. Okay. Now today we are going to deal with financial mathematics. Okay, number one, in financial mathematics we have what we call exchange rates. Okay, exchange rates. Now whenever we are dealing with exchange rate, there are a few things we check. Okay, for example, let's say I'm given that $1 is equals to let's say 19 rand 28 cents. Okay, and then we are also given that one pound is equals to 26 rand 50. Okay, that is what we are given. Okay, so since that is what we are given, and then number one, they said determine how many dollars will you need if you have 50,000 rand. How many dollars will you need? Okay, whenever you have something like this, number one, this is what you're going to do. You're going to write this as is. Okay, you say $1 is equals to 19 rand 28 cents. Okay, then you check what do you have between dollars and rands. Okay, in this case you have rands, so you'll insert here 50,000. Here you insert X, then you cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you will have 50,000 rand equals to 19,28x. Then divide by 19,28. We divide by 19,28. Okay, so this cancels, so X is equals to, then we go on our calculator and say 50,000 divided by 19,28. Then you have your answer to be 2,593.36. Remember, this is what is in dollars. That's how you calculate your exchange rate. Okay, but number two number two, let's say now you are given they say 300 pounds. Since we are given 300 pounds, they said calculate how much of the rands will you need. I said it, you write 1 pound, okay, is equals to 26 rand. Okay, sorry, 26 rand 50. Okay, that's what you write first. Then number two, what do? You check what do you have. Okay, in this case I'm having pounds, so I'm write 300 here. Then here I'll write what? X. Okay, then from here I cross multiply this multiply by this, so X should be equals to 300 multiplied by 26,50. Okay, then you go to your calculator, you say 300 multiplied by 26,50. Okay, then you get your answer. Your answer here, it is what? Your X is equals to 7,950. Okay, this is what? Pounds. That's what you are having. Okay, so that is how we deal with exchange rates. Okay, sometimes they will say we have situation like this where we have this and we have this. Okay, they say number three, they are now looking for what? They are now looking for you are given 7,520 dollars, Now they are looking for pounds. How do you do that one? Okay, number one, this is what you do. First of all, you start converting this to rand. Okay, you say $1 is equals to 19 rand 28. Then you insert here 7,520. You have x, so you cross multiply. You say x is equals to, then you multiply. You say 7,520 multiplied by 19.28. This is 0.28. Okay, so you will have 144,985,6. You remember this is in what? Is in rands. Then you convert this that you have in rands. Okay, can I? Yes, so that you can see. Then I convert this. I say 1 pound is equals to 26 rand 50. Okay, I have this now to be 144,985,6. I have x here. I cross multiply. I will have 144,985,6 equals to 26,50x. Divide by 26,50 divide by 26,50. Okay, so your x will be equals to, then you punch this in your calculator and say divided by 26,50. Then you get your answer to be 5471,16. These are what? Are pounds. That is how you deal with it. Okay, so whenever it is complex like this, please make sure that you go all the steps so that you do not complicate things. Okay, so that is the first part of our financial mathematics. Okay, now the second part, let's get into the second part. The second part deals with what you call interest. We have two types of interest. Two types of interest interest rates. Okay, now in these two types of interest rates, we know that we have number one, a simple interest. Okay, now we are dealing with the first one first, which is simple interest. Okay, number one, a simple interest has two things. Number one, we have what you call an appreciation. Okay, when something appreciates, it gains value. Okay, so in this case, we are having something like this. This is our straight line. Okay, but it will go up. Okay, when it goes up like this, we know that this gradient is now greater than what? 0. What does it mean when it comes to financial maths? Okay, it means when m is greater than 0, we know that we have our a to be greater than our p. That's the first thing. Okay, come with me. If it's so, it means what? It means that we have a is equals to p into 1 plus I times n. This is our formula for appreciation. Okay, now remember, this formula for appreciation is also used whenever we are having something that is gaining value, like for example savings, investment, and so on. Okay, let's say this formula has a name. Okay, the name for this one, it will be given. Okay,